We are back with another little technique class today with me, Katie Elise. I'm a choreographer and a belly dance performer from London, and I'm going to be teaching you the Choo Choo Shimmy today, and it looks just like this. So grab yourself a hip scarf and let's get started. Alrighty lovelies, so we are first going to work with our hip snaps, but we're going to think of the accent coming up with the hip snap. So using your hips, having a slight bend in your knees, and we're going to push the hip up, squeezing those glutes. So think of that motion coming upwards, up on the right, up on the left, up, 2, 3, 4, up, up. If you naturally focus the other way and go on the down, I do want you to actually, physically think of the motion coming upwards. Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4. Good, really nice. Squeeze those glutes, use those hips. Really nice. Perfect. Now we're gonna lift up onto releve. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a slight bend in the knees. Good. So you're up on releve, bend in the knees, and I just want you to practice stepping step, just changing that weight. Hop, side to side, hop, 2, 3, hop, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now, as we step onto one side, for example, if we step onto the right foot, I want your hip to come up as you step onto the right. Good. Same with the left. If I step on hip, step on hip. Good. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Good. Squeezing the hip up. And making sure you do it at the same time. So it's not step, hip, step, hip, step, hip. It's all in one motion. Up and step, up and step, up and step, 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 step. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can start to speed it up a little bit. So we're gonna just build up the speed, go faster and faster. Okay? Try and control those hips. If at any point it comes too fast, don't worry, just stick at the level you're happy with and then just test yourself and try and go faster. Okay, all right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Really squeeze those glutes and work those hips. 2, 3, 4. Let's speed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's speed it up again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count that fast. Good. Keep those hips going. This is into our Choo Choo Shimmy. Good. So, when I say I do want this, keeping those hips working, stepping onto your feet, and you can use it to travel. What I don't want is mainly the sound of the floor. So what I don't want is stomp, 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 like this. I don't want that. I don't want people to hear you doing it. I want it to be super light. Obviously, you're still going to hear something, but you want to keep it light on the feet. It's the movement should be in the hips rather than the accent on the feet, okay? So, not stomping, we're lifting it up on step, hip, 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 and taking it faster. Really control it. It's heavy on the heartbeat. Good, and working those hips. Step, 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 step. Good, now we can use this to travel. Let's travel over to the left, nice. And travel to the right. Good, we can take it around in a circle. Beautiful work, lovelies. All right, let's just drill it a little bit. We're gonna lift up, stay on the spot for 8, travel to the left for 8, travel to the right for 8, and we'll spin round and come down. You ready? We're on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's travel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Travel to the right. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and around. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Well done, lovelies. Thank you so much for joining me for today's Choo Choo Shimmy class. Don't forget, as always, subscribe below just to make sure you don't miss a video with me. I release videos every week on YouTube. And you can follow me on my socials to see when I'm teaching live classes, when I'm teaching courses, workshops, and retreats. So you can stay up to date on there. All those details are below. Also, feel free to drop me a comment. Let me know how your belly dance journey is coming along. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I will see you, lovelies.